Rocket Servergraph. One application to provide reliable data protection management for your entire heterogeneous backup environment. Meet Bob, a fearless backup administrator at ACME&Co. Bob is responsible for 85 servers, 9,000 clients, and 25,000 virtual machines. Bob is feeling good this morning, but that wasn't always the case. Let's look at a typical day at ACME&Co. By 8:30 a.m., Bob has to deliver reports to his boss, detailing the status of the previous night's server and virtual machine backups. Needless to say, morning traffic is not his friend. Bob used to spend 2 hours every morning checking logs and preparing reports. Then, ACME&Co implemented Servergraph from Rocket Software. Now, Bob's reports are waiting for him when he gets into the office, and he can see them easily in his Servergraph dashboard. If there had been a major failure overnight, he would have already received a text and been able to take action from home. With Servergraph, Bob is able to see across his entire environment. He can look at backup statuses globally across all of Acme's servers, regardless of the backup technology used. He can also see the state of protection at the client level for the past 30 days, for any type of client, logical group, business entity, or site. Bob can also visualize his assets, as well as drill down, navigate, and see alerts. This morning, Bob is checking the status of Hyper-V and VMware virtual machines that were backed up last night. Not only did Bob save 2 hours by not needing to prepare reports for his boss's morning status meeting, monthly chargeback reports were automatically sent to Margaret, Acme's CFO and controller, via Servergraph dashboards that Bob set up for them. And Harry, CIO at ACME&Co, has been able to monitor business continuity status for the overall IT environment using another dashboard that Bob set up when he first implemented Servergraph. Recently, Harry sent an email to Bob and his boss concerning a specific performance problem that he had noticed, and wanted to know if it warranted further action. Fortunately, Bob can quickly check Servergraph for the details he needs to answer his question. Servergraph provides dedicated dashboards for many backup reporting needs, such as storage pools, and is able to aggregate data from multiple sources. Dashboards for the tape and virtual libraries provide complete reporting on their activities and success. Reporting is available on all monitored elements. We are now viewing a TS3500 tape library, with detail available all the way down to the individual tape mounts. Bob can review numerous configurable data points covering his overall server environment. He can search for clients easily and view all available details for them. Servergraph supports all of the key data protection assets that Bob needs to do his job. And now that ACME&Co is using Servergraph, Bob wakes up every morning with a smile on his face. With a wide range of capabilities, Servergraph is flexible enough to meet the needs of everyone in your organization, from backup administrators to executives. It's easy to set up and configure customized views of any backup and storage environment, giving each team member exactly what he or she needs to make decisions and take action.